Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Keep in mind that this is my personal experience using PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap, found at PancakeSwap.finance, is a decentralized exchange, DEX, operating on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC. This platform allows users to swap BEP20 tokens, which are tokens specifically designed for the BSC network. What sets PancakeSwap apart is its automated market maker, AMM, model. Instead of relying on a traditional order book system like centralized exchanges, PancakeSwap uses liquidity pools. These pools are funded by users who deposit pairs of tokens, and traders then swap tokens against these pools. This model facilitates trading without the need for a centralized intermediary. One of the key features of PancakeSwap is its user-friendly interface. Even those new to decentralized finance, DeFi, can navigate the platform with relative ease. The swapping process is straightforward, and the platform offers a variety of other features, including yield farming, staking, and even a lottery system. Yield farming allows users to earn rewards by providing liquidity to the pools, while staking allows them to lock up their cake tokens, PancakeSwap's native token, to earn more cake. These additional features provide opportunities for users to potentially increase their returns. However, it's crucial to understand the risks associated with using any DEX, including PancakeSwap. The inherent volatility of the cryptocurrency market can impact the value of your assets, and impermanent loss is a risk for liquidity providers. Furthermore, as with any online platform, security is a concern. It's essential to research and understand the security measures PancakeSwap employs before using the platform. Always exercise caution and due diligence when participating in DeFi activities. PancakeSwap has become a popular choice within the DeFi space, particularly for its accessible interface and diverse range of features. While it offers numerous opportunities, it's paramount to remember the potential risks involved and to conduct thorough research before investing or participating in any of the platform's activities. The website, PancakeSwap.finance, is your starting point for exploring this platform. Remember, this is just my personal overview and experience. Do your own research and invest responsibly.